Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are making a lovely Pemberley foaming facial cleanser. I designed this cleanser to be really quite gentle, so it uses a gentle blend of a non-ionic surfactant, Capryl, Caprylyl glucoside, and an amphoteric surfactant, Cocamidopropyl betaine. I've kept the usage rates of both of these really quite low for a low overall active surfactant matter. So we're using gentle surfactants, we're blending them to make them even more gentle, and we're using them at a low usage rate for gentleness from all sides. As with everything in this Pemberley series, this face wash smells amazing. We get our rose note from some rose hydrosol from Mystic Moments, and as a little reminder, we have a discount code from them, so make sure you're reading the blog post to grab that. We have some cardamom essential oil for a wonderful bright, spicy note, and I'm using a lemon slices fragrance oil for our citrus note in this one. If you'd like to learn more about this scent blend and about different alternatives or substitutions you might want to make sure you're reading that blog post linked in the description box below. Everything in this recipe is liquid or readily water soluble, so we can just stir everything together at room temperature, and that is about it, which is fantastic. You can whip up a batch of this face wash in just a couple minutes. It'll probably take you longer to get all of your ingredients out of their respective homes than it will to actually make the face wash. If you want to learn more about substitutions, scaling, shelf life, where to buy ingredients, all that kind of stuff, please make sure you're checking out that blog post linked in the description box below. But come on, let's get started. We're going to begin by combining our essential oil and our fragrance oil with our solubilizer, which is also one of our surfactants. So this is 2 grams of Caprylyl and Capryl glucoside. Now I'm going to weigh in 0.1 gram cardamom essential oil and 0.1 gram lemon slices fragrance oil. And for essential oil alternatives, please refer to the blog post linked in the description box below this video. Now we're just going to stir that together. Now we're going to start adding the rest of our ingredients one at a time. So you're going to need 1 gram Cocamidopropyl betaine, half a gram hydrolyzed silk, 7.5 grams vegetable glycerine, 1/4 gram liquid germall plus, and then these last 2 ingredients are our watery ingredients. So we have 10 grams of rose hydrosol and 28.55 grams of distilled water. Now that we're going to be adding more watery things, this is really going to lather up. If I stir it aggressively, you can see that even though I've given this quite a good stirring, there's really not a lot of bubbles going on. Once these get into the mix, bubbles will start to happen, so I'm going to start to be more gentle. So we'll start with a hydrosol. Once everything has combined, you can package it up. So you're going to need a 50 milliliter foamer top bottle. So this one is from Windy Point Soap Making Supplies here in Calgary, and we'll just pour that in. And of course we need a bit of a demonstration. So these usually take a couple pumps to prime. And there we go. Look at all those lovely, lovely bubbles. Just feels absolutely divine on the skin. Smells fantastic. I love those little tiny, delicate, dense bubbles. And there you go. You just made a beautiful Pemberley foaming facial cleanser. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please remember to go down to the description box below this video and click through to the partner blog post, which you'll find on humblebeeandme.com. There you'll find links to places to buy all of the ingredients, including a coupon code for the hydrosol from Mystic Moments. You'll find information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, and a whole lot more. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.